Namaskar Mitro, this is Mudit. Welcome back to yet another grooming video. So in this video, we'll be reviewing this activated charcoal peel off mask sent by good people from WOW. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Talking about what actually charcoal is and its benefits. So charcoal is prepared by the partial burning of wood. The residue left after is charcoal. It helps in the unclog of pores, it absorbs dirt and excess oil of your skin. It's especially good for people who have blackheads and acne on the skin, as it helps in removing the excess oil which sticks on your skin. So before proceeding applying the face mask, make sure you wipe out your skin with a warm water dip towel. Like this, which helps in the widening up of your pores. Apply the peel off mask all over your skin, avoiding the area around the eye and the beard. You can also use the plastic stick which you get with the box, but for me it's easier to apply with the fingers, so I'm using my fingers to apply the peel off mask. So after applying the peel off mask, you have to wait until it gets dried and ready to be peeled off. So it takes about 10 to 15 minutes approx to get dried. So yeah. So it's been almost 15 minutes now, and now it's ready to be get peeled off. After peeling off the mask, I will use this activated charcoal face wash from WOW. So now after using both the products, my skin is ready. And also not using it once, your blackheads will go off. After using 2 to 3 times at least, your blackheads will definitely go off. So yes, that was it. And you can also check my earlier grooming videos by clicking on the upper right corner of your screen. Thank you for watching it. Bye bye.